So the thing about plugging your tractor in when it's cold out is these cords. Well, these are good cords actually, so they stay pretty flexible, but if you have a cheap extension cord, you're gonna have a hell of a time just trying to plug it in when it's below zero, because that thing will be stiffer than a wedding dick, as we used to say. There we go. I heard it go click click zap when I plugged it in. So this is not a lighted cord, but I know it's got juice to it. I come over here and make sure this end is plugged in. Yep. We got the green light and nothing is tripped there. Whereas when these are all plugged in with trucks, sometimes they trip, you know, because it's a lot of electricity. But that's all right. Cardinal Glass can afford it. They have money to burn.